Good morning, everyone. Happy coffee. I am using a closed lid today. I learned my lesson. And I start talking, and here comes the bando. That's okay. Come here, buddy. Come here. Well, you don't want to come? You don't want me to pull you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You gonna say good morning to everybody? He says, well, the only person you should be talking to, Mama, is me. Well, you're all right. Anyway, good morning, everybody. This is going to be short and sweet because guess what? I'm going to be writing this morning. I am going to write. I honestly didn't know if I would ever feel like writing again or be able. Now you're covered up by that. Let's see if we can move that over there so that people can see you a little bit. I didn't know if I would ever feel like writing. I just lost it for a while, and I'm excited. Today is my first day to write. I'm going to try to finish my next book this month, so wish me luck on that. I'm just really excited about it. Frugal RV gal Jana helped me come up with a solution. It's like once I go outside, once I open those doors and I go outside, I don't get back into the groove of being on the computer to write. And I have been trying to write like from 6 to 8. To work outside like from 6 to 8 because that's the only cool time right now. And oh my God, does anybody else enjoy their morning coffee as much as me? It's early. I think it'll take a while to upload this morning because we've got rains outside, so you might not see this as early as I'm recording it, but oh my goodness, I just love early morning coffee. It just is the best. I drink French vanilla creamer in mine. What do you guys do? Do y'all do creamer, black? What do y'all do? Do y'all do coffee, tea? Huh? What do y'all do? I know. I just want you to snuggle a little bit. He says, I don't want to. That's his little protest. So, Squirrel. I don't remember where I was. Oh, what do y'all do with y'all's coffee? I do French vanilla creamer. Not the low fat, not the sugar free. I use French vanilla creamer, and that's one of my splurges and luxuries, and I just love it so much. Anyway, so I'm going to write today, so this is going to be short and sweet, and so thank you. I love that I'm doing these mornings. I'm going to still do regular videos. I hope to have one up, if not today, then tomorrow, regular video, and Frugal is going to town today and going to do some grocery shopping and pick up a few things for me so that I can write, and I'm just so very excited about that. I did want to, and I want to thank her for that. Being willing to do that so I can write. So look at this little bunny that we saw on our walk. Isn't it cute? It thinks it's hiding in the grass and weeds. This particular neighbor is out of town, and so their lawn is getting some grass and weeds like mine was. But when you're out of town, maintenance here takes care of it for you. But when you're here, they expect you to, and I understand that. And here's another picture I want to share with you. That's Bandit last night. We were getting ready for bed, but so I've got to paint that nightstand over there, and I've put it in, and that's the lamp in the corner. But do y'all remember that? Have y'all seen that little that plaque, the wood burning plaque that my friend Mary made for me? Here it is. Let me show you. Eventually, when I get everything in place and the ceiling done and everything, I'll put things on the wall, and I'll probably have this framed in a double frame so that I can show the back where the inscription is that she made for me. But anyway, it's just got so many wonderful things on it that have to do with, is it upside down? It is. It's morning. Anyway, that have to do with Debra. Coco. NMW. Oh, that. And then just so many wonderful things. And so this will go on the wall eventually, but for now it sits over there on the nightstand, on the coffee table It's so my sleeper sofa makes into a bed at night, so it's a nightstand and it's a coffee table both. And I wanted to share that with you. And I really appreciate my morning coffee crew. I think I'm going to go with, and thank you all for all of the wonderful recommendations for the title. I just love the different ideas that you guys came up with. I ran them all through AI to see what would work best with YouTube, and it seems that for SEO search and different demographics and the analytics for YouTube, that what will trend best is morning coffee with Debra. And so I might go to town in the afternoons and get Starbucks and do a regular video, but this is a different video. This is me connecting with y'all in the morning. It almost feels like, look at him, I'm holding his head and he's going to sleep. It almost feels like a journal, just checking, like when I do journal and in the mornings, but this feels like a, you know, like a journal, like you do your diary, and connecting with you guys. So thank you for being on here, and thank you all for all the suggestions. But I think I'm going to go with morning coffee with Debra. And so I wanted to share that with you last night of Bandit getting ready for bed. Let me show you again. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me show you again. There he is. He just, and that's new blankets that I bought him. You can't see the flip side of the light gray one. It's got squirrels and all kinds of different things on it. I buy baby blankets for him because he likes soft. Isn't that cute? So not going outside in the mornings is going to help me write, but I have to then water and do my gardening at night. And we'll see how that goes. That's a completely different trend than what I've been doing. But I wanted to show y'all a couple of things in my yard that I'm so happy about. This is a little mimosa tree that is growing. I love it so much. That is, the rocks indicate the border of my lot, so I will eventually have to move that away from the border so that the limbs don't go over on my neighbor's lot. But that's okay. I've got a big enough lot. I can put it wherever I want, and I'm excited about that. I'll probably transplant that in next month or maybe October. We'll see. But I'm looking forward to that little baby growing, and I've got some birds of paradise that are growing, and I've got, y'all remember this when I transplanted that? That's a bird of paradise behind the bird bath, but there in front of it is a desert willow that I transplanted in, I think, April or May. And I've transplanted two. One of them didn't make it, but that one made it. And that is its permanent home, and that's my bird bath. So gardening at night, doing my yard at night, I can do the weeds and I can water the plants and they'll be okay. But like my bird bath, if I fill it up at night, I don't know if it'll make it through the day the next day because of the heat. But that's what I'm going to have to do to be able to write, and it'll be okay one way or the other. And speaking of birds, on the FNL last night, I shared that I have a neighbor that doesn't like birds and is out clanging big rocks together like at 6:15 in the morning over on his lot. And the other day he came over 4 lots away toward my lot doing that and banging on utility poles and just kind of lost it. And so I filed a complaint on that. I've already fed Bandit. That's see, it's early morning. My alarms are still going off. But that was my notice to feed Bandit. He's already been fed. So anyway, I filed a complaint on that. So he can do what he wants over on his lot. And if his immediate neighbors want to complain about the noise or whatever, that's fine. But let me show you my one little bitty bird feeder. That looks pretty big because of the angle, but that little bird feeder isn't probably more than 6 inches wide, maybe. No, I think it's about 6 or 7 inches wide. I mean, yeah, wide, or is that long? Anyway, 6 or 7 inches long, and only about I'm thinking 3 inches wide. Yeah, 6 inches long, about 3 inches wide, and I never fill it up more than that. And the birds take care of that seed pretty rapidly. The little birds, the finches, the wrens, I do have Oriole. Well, the Orioles have gone. We had Orioles in the spring, and that was quite nice. But the little birds, and they do knock some of the seed out, and the dove and quail take care of that very fast. So I shared on the FNL that I am not attracting mice or rodents or snakes or ground squirrels or anything like that, because the birds, I don't put enough food out for it to linger on the ground. So the bylaws here are that you can't feed wildlife, and technically birds are wildlife. So I'm going to do a proposal for the bylaws to be changed. You can do proposals twice a year, and so I'm going to do that for this fall. So y'all wish me luck on that. I'll keep you updated. Y'all remind me though. And also let me know if you have any questions or comments. I saw a few, but this morning I want to get to writing, so I'll answer them maybe tomorrow, and I'll let you know how my writing went today. But it is Saturday, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Can you say, oh goodness, you want to show them your pearlies? You want to show them your pearlies? Y'all remember when I couldn't even touch him? And now I can lift his lip. I'm so proud of him. He's such a good little boy. All right, everybody. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Say bye.